दोस्तों फिर से स्वागत है एक और नए वीडियो पे। आज हम देखेंगे सेमेस्टर 2 का इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन स्टेट एंड प्रूव थेवेनिन्स थ्योरम स्टेटमेंट। ए लीनियर bilateral network about any two terminals can be replaced by an equivalent network in which a single voltage source is connected in series with a single resistance. The single voltage and single resistance are called Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance। तो फिगर देखिए, IL equal to VTH by RTH plus RL, equation 1. To find VTH, the load resistance RL is removed, then no current in R3 resistance because it is open circuit, so voltage across R2 resistance is called VTH। VR1, R2, R3, VTH A to B। The current I in the circuit is given by I equal to E by R1 plus R2. So VTH equal to I R2. VTH is equal to VRL by R1 plus RL. Equation 2. To find Rth, the load resistance RL is removed. The cell is disconnected as wire are short as shown below। तो फिगर देखिए, R1 is R2 in parallel, RTH equal to R1 dot R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3, equation 3, using equation 2 as equation 3 in equation 1, IL equal to VR2 by R1 plus R2 by R1 dot R2 by R1 plus R2 plus 3 bracket plus RL, equation 4। प्रूफ। ये फिगर देखिए, लूप 1 लूप 2। अप्लाई किर्चॉफ्स वोल्टेज लॉ KVL in loop 1 we get I1 R1 plus I2 R2 minus IL RL equal to V R1 plus R2 bracket I1 minus I2 R2 equal to V। Equation 5, apply KVL in loop 2 I2 R3 plus R2 RL plus I2 R2 equal to 0, I2 R2 plus R3 plus R2 bracket by I1 R2 equal to 0, I1 equal to I2 R2 plus R3 plus RL bracket by RL। Equation 6, using equation 6 in equation 5 we get bracket R1 plus R2 bracket R2 plus R3 plus RL bracket by RL minus R2 bracket close I2 equal to V bracket R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R1 RL plus R2 square plus R2 R3 plus R2 RL minus RL by RL equal to V R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R1 RL plus R2 square plus R2 R3 plus R2 RL minus R2 square by RL bracket close I2 equal to V R1 RL plus R3 R1 plus R2 bracket plus RL R1 plus R2 bracket by R2 bracket close I2 equal to V R1 R2 plus R3 bracket R1 plus R2 minus RL bracket R1 plus R2 bracket close I2 equal to V R2 I2 is equal to V R2 by R1 R2 plus R3 R1 plus R2 bracket plus RL R1 plus R2 bracket. Dividing numerator as denominator by R1 plus R2, we get I2 equal to IL equal to ER2 by R1 plus R2 by R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3 bracket close plus RL.